Hello everybody, my name is Jason, and this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to use Castofly and how we can integrate it to our Intercom articles. So the first thing we want to do here is we want to log into castofly.com, and we'll hit the login button here. This takes us to a guest user account, but we'll probably want to log in so we can save all our information and projects. I'm going to hit continue with Google here, and I'm going to log in with one of my Gmails. Alright, here's our dashboard for Castofly, and when we want to begin a new project, we can hit this button right here. But first things first, we need to install the Chrome extension so that we can begin recording our steps. So we'll hit the install button here, and now we're taken to the Chrome web store. And you can just click on add to Chrome here. Alright, Castofly has been downloaded. We can pin it to our extensions bar here. Alright, let's say for example we wanted a user or teach a user how to change their LinkedIn theme to dark mode. So the first thing I would do is I would just log on to LinkedIn here. And I'm going to begin recording by clicking on the extension and hitting the capture button. So after 3 seconds, the recording begins, and I'm going to begin going through the steps on how to change LinkedIn to dark mode. So I'll click on this button and settings and privacy, go over to dark mode and turn it to always on. So that's practically the whole guide. I would end the guide by going over to this bottom left panel and clicking done. Once it is done, we can quickly take a look at our guide to make sure everything is correct. This is the first step. Go to settings and privacy, clicking on the dark mode and turning it to always on. Yeah, so this guide looks pretty good to me. I'm going to share and publish this project, and I'm going to hit this smart copy button and then now click on Intercom right here. Alright, once we've clicked the Intercom button, it will copy the HTML code for our how-to guide. We can head on over to Intercom and create a new article, and I'm going to paste the contents right here. And this is the how-to guide that we've just created. Now it's on this Intercom article. Now I can give this article a name, LinkedIn, how to change to dark mode. And I'll publish this under a collection. All right, this is done, it is published. And Finn has also ingested this content so we can use it for the chatbot. So now we can head on over to the Finn AI agent. And this is what a chatbot would look like on a company's website, for example. And now I can ask it the question, how can I change LinkedIn theme to dark mode? Now it's going to be searching through its knowledge database and the articles, and it's going to try to find this article here. All right, these are the exact steps that our guide has outlined. And also here's the source. It will just directly link them to the article. If I click on it here, this is what we pasted onto the article itself. So yeah, hopefully that was helpful, and thank you for watching.